Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are working in the loft. Upstairs, we call this area the man cave. We are going to add a new piece of furniture in this space and rearrange the area a bit. So if you're interested in seeing what we're doing today, just keep on watching. Now this is the man cave, the loft area, the game room. In its present state, I'm not going to touch anything on the walls. I'm going to let that remain. But we're going to move the pool table and the pinball machine to make space for this beautiful new piece of furniture by Tribesigns. Now, you know my sidekick, which is my husband, or I call him Hubby. He loves when new pieces come in. I put him to work. And Tribesign was so gracious to send me this beautiful, beautiful modern sideboard buffet cabinet with 4 doors. It's beautiful in black and gold. Now, everything you need to assemble any piece of furniture from Tribesigns is included in the box. Now, as my hubby and I assemble this new piece of furniture, let me tell you a little bit about Tribesigns. Tribesigns is a company that provides diverse furniture for various rooms, featuring styles from American to European, from very simple to modern, and even luxe flair. Tribesigns is known for its unique designs that harmonize aesthetics, functionality, and affordability. They are committed to sustainability and ethical practices. Their team embodies core values such as customer focus, honesty, simplicity, and innovation. Their ultimate goal is to fashion spaces into inviting sanctuaries that inspire joy and creativity, a commitment evident in the unwavering dedication to quality and design. Their devotion to customer satisfaction has earned trust and recognition from over 2 million households worldwide. As a trusted home brand all over the world, Tribesigns provides cozy and efficient home solutions as a trusted home brand all over the world. They have collaborated with some of the world's best designers and manufacturers to bring a selection of beautiful, beautiful furniture. This has helped thousands of customers across the world to create comfortable living spaces. They have paved the way to a healthier and more sustainable life with their eco-friendly furniture. Now, if you've been following me, you know my hubby and I, we love assembling furniture together. It was very easy to assemble. Instructions were easy to follow. It took us approximately an hour and a half to assemble this piece. The dimensions of this buffet cabinet is 59 inches in length by 13.7 inches in width by 35.5 inches in height. It comes with 4-door cabinets, combining spacious tabletop and shelf with inner storage space. This sideboard cabinet provides a place for all of your cutlery, your pots and pans, your wine bottles, and more. It will fit all different storage needs for a neat and organized space. This cabinet is sturdy for long time use. The buffet cabinet with storage is constructed of premium particle board and metal legs for stability. The surface of the storage cabinet is resistant to stains, heat, and scratches. It's smooth to the touch and easy to clean. The adjustable foot pads keep the sideboard stable on uneven ground and protect the floor from scratches. This cabinet is so versatile. It can be widely used as a storage cabinet, a coffee bar cabinet, accent storage cabinet, even a TV console. All match design indoor furniture fits the kitchen, living room, dining room, office, and more. It's so multifunctional, making it convenient for you to place it anywhere in your home. We are almost at the finish line. We are going to install the doors. Look at these doors and the design on them. So beautiful. Now, one of the features that I love about this cabinet is it has soft closing doors. So we have this piece assembled. We're going to rearrange the space and share with you this beautiful sideboard and this space. Right now I'm going to decorate the top of this sideboard as well as place some items inside the sideboard as well. This sideboard is on the half wall of our loft area, and I'm placing this tic-tac-toe game as well as these beautiful candlesticks on top. Adding this beautiful statue of this dog to the top, which is fitting for this space. Everything that you see, I shopped my home for. And I'm also going to bring in a beautiful decorative black mean box. I'm actually going to bring in a set of 2. And I think I'm going to keep it this simple. Now we're going to work on what this cabinet will hold. Now my family, we are a family that loves to play games. And we have lots of them. And this is what this cabinet will hold. All of our board games. And guys, this is just a few. But I love having them all in one place. Information about this beautiful sideboard buffet and Tribesigns will be listed in my description box down below. And for my blessed family members, they are offering a discount code. If you're interested in this cabinet, you will love it. You will love the storage. You will love the beauty of it in your space. Special thanks to Tribesigns for the opportunity to share this beautiful furniture with you, my blessed family members. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of everything, all the uploads here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Instagram and TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of this blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.